Okay, so this is basically day 3 of grading this pen. This is the last fish coming out of this pen. It's Sam and Sean and Keith and Dave and me and the fish. So these fish, this is the last fish out of this pen getting graded. We'll show you the grading shortly. So we've got approximately 1,600 fish in this pen. Average size looks to be a little bigger than the average of the pen, so we think we've got a fair few of the big guys from the bottom of the school. So there's some nice fish here, some nice 3 kilo fish here. The average size on this pen is approaching 2 kilos, so these fish are looking really nice. So the seine is empty at present, but normally we would have a bunch of fish waiting to come into this handling trough. And at the far end of the handling trough we've got the Snuffleupagus for our 10-inch uplift, and from there they'll go up onto the grading table and then be graded by Sam and myself, the grading experts, and Dave when he screws up the seine. No. So they'll go in through the Snuffleupagus there, and we'll take some video footage of that. And yeah, the critical part is not to have them go in too fast, so you can handle them on the table over there. Okay, so our next video will be grading. Now I got to work out how to turn it off. Okay, so this is the grading happening. They're coming out of the 10-inch pipe there, up through the uplift, from the seine over there, through the pipe there that you can just see. They come out and swirl around slowly in here, and then down the dewatering box, which I'm standing on, and onto the table. At which point the smalls get taken out with Keith counting, and they go over into our small pen. Nice big fish in this end. Put your head back for a bit, please, Keith. There you go. A little big there, Dave. Just you've got the top end of the school here, man. You're going a little deep. Okay, again, these fish are just on 2 years old from the hatchery. Average size on the pen's around 2 kilos. What we're grading at the moment is anything smaller than 1.8 kilos. And anything else stays in the large pen over where Sean is over there counting them into the large pen. And of course the 2 fish we've got down here with the strings on them are our reference fish for our size. And although grading's not an exact science, this is going pretty well, pretty steady. Maybe a little bit too many fish on the table at times. But that's because I'm up here videotaping. Normally we'd have 3 guys here on the table, so these guys are going hell for leather trying to keep ahead of the fish. But there's definitely some nice fish. Hold that big one up, Dave. Nice. Probably about a 3 kilo fish. Yeah. A little better. Very nice.